Hello, my dear friends. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to share you about a very uh, famous technique. You all guys might have heard from your friends or from any YouTuber about this technique. So I am going to share you about that. So that technique is not but shadowing. Yes, guys, you might have heard this word shadowing. So what does it mean? So firstly, I am going to tell you the meaning of this word. Like, take this word as a shadow as shadow always be with you. So similarly this word is arisen. So what does it mean? Shadowing means uh, doing your repeating. It means repeating repeat after someone else. So how can it help you to improve your English speaking even if you are a beginner? So guys, for beginners it is very important technique, because by shadowing you get familiar with the words, and shadowing it and like if you are listening to a content, for example, you are listening to my content, whatever I speak, like I wake up every day at 5 o'clock. So you listen to this sentence, then pause my video and then speak up. I usually wake up uh, at 5 o'clock. So this is shadowing. Yes, guys, and how it can help a beginner to improve its English speaking. So as we all know, at a beginning level, we can't speak a new language, foreign language. So it helps us when we listen someone else and we repeat the word. So it helps us to get the pronunciation of the language just by listening and repeating the same sentence, repeating the same word. Just not help us to get familiar with the language, but it help us to improve our pronunciation. Because when we listen to someone and we try to follow the same how he or she is speaking. So we observe first, we listen, then observe, and then take action. And then we see all these things, like how he is speaking, how this word pronunciation. So it really helps us if we take action just by do reading practice. So if we do reading practice, we don't get an idea how this word is really pronounced. Because if you are a beginner and you start improving your English just by reading a book, maybe you don't have any idea that the word you are speaking this way is not the right pronunciation. Maybe this is pronounced differently. But when you listen and you repeat the sentences, like you when you do shadowing practice, you get an idea, oh, this word, it is the right pronunciation of this word. So I will suggest you guys try shadowing practice if you are facing problem in improving your English speaking. So personally, I don't have much practice shadowing, but yes, I have done shadowing. When I started learning English, then I did shadowing practice, but then I shifted to shadowing, like speaking myself, um, reading, writing. I included these habits to improve my English speaking, and each and every day I do at least for 15-minute English speaking practice. Even though I don't get any content, but still I try to speak English uh, randomly on any topic. I pick up any topic and start speaking up, and it it really develops your mind as well. Like you pick a topic randomly and you start speaking up. So yes, it's really helps you. So I will suggest you guys, you should definitely try this shadowing practice, because shadowing can definitely help you to take your English level uh, at a um, at a one step forward where you are standing currently. So follow the shadowing practice. And one more important thing I want to share: when you start shadowing practice, don't pick that content you are not even able to understand what the uh, uh, person is saying. Pick up very comfortable content, like you can easily understand that content. You can take like cartoons um in English, like small conversations in English, and then you can do your your shadowing practice. If you are if you start watching a movie and you are not getting an idea how, they are speaking so fast, then this shadowing practice won't help you guys, because shadowing practice also helps you to improve your listening power. So, and to improve that power, you have to take a small step. You can't just go at a big, like you are speaking to very fluent speaker. No, guys, you have to start uh, with with small steps. And so then this shadowing practice will help you, and slowly this will improve your listening and as well as your speaking power. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope you like this content, and I'll wait for your suggestions about um, what topic I should choose for my next video on next Sunday. Till then, हमारे साथ बने रहिए और अपनी and improve your English. And also, it's not, I am also uh, in this journey with you guys to improve English speaking, because I also working on my English speaking and daily improving my English speaking. So uh, till then, guys, bye bye. We'll see you on next Sunday.